Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use two Telegram accounts in one phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps because it's really simple and easy. Now, in order to use two Telegram accounts in one phone, what you need to do is head over to your Telegram app, right? And just tap on it. And once you're inside, here, tap on the settings option on the bottom right corner of the screen, right? Now here on the top right corner of the screen, you can see an edit option, right? Just tap on that. And once you tap on it, here under username, you'll see an option that says add another account. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on that, and here just type in your phone number that you want. Type in the phone number that you want your account to be added in your phone, right? Now simply just type in your phone number and then tap on continue. And once you do that, the next page should be the verification page, right? Now it will send you a 4-digit code or a verification code. Just simply enter the verification code, simply copy the verification code where it is presented, and then all you gotta do is tap on done and your account will be added. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.